Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, we'll show and tell you how you can download videos from TikTok. Subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes, share in the video with friends. Write comments turned out at you, in my way, the way to do so or not. And I'll be sure to read and answer you. Let's get started. Let's go. And the first thing you need to do is to go to TikTok. After that, find some video that we want to download or save. Then click here. We have likes, comments, reposts, saves. We click share. And here we have Viber, Telegram, Instagram, copy link, and so on. We click here. There's a tab called Save Video. Click here. The video is automatically uploaded to our gallery on our phone. Go to the photo. Open it, and as you can see, here we have our video already appearing. We can turn on the sound, we can trim it, we can scroll through it, and so on. That's the simple way to do it. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.